Well, this is something different. I'm lying on a whole trailer load of leather. Well, g'day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Stuart Chignell. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. But I might have mentioned a couple of times that I had a pallet load of leather coming. Well, it's a big pallet. I got my whole 6x4 trailer filled with leather, and this is just glorious. But the smell is divine. Now I've got a problem. It's a good problem to have. Is what what am I going to do with a whole trailer load of leather? What I suspect is going to be the problem is that I'm not going to want to sell it because it's leather, and you know, it's leather. What else do I need to say? Anything more? It's like I've just got hide after hide after leather, and I can think of so many things to do with it, like lie on it, or just stick it under my bed. So when I walk into my bedroom, the smell of leather is just But I can't afford to do that. So here is a trailer of leather. Now, some of it is part hides. They've had little bits of stuff cut out of them, but most of it is like this, full rolls of hides. Yeah. And I knew it was a whole pallet, but I must say it's a bit daunting. So I've got to try and work out how I'm going to deal with this. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to sort through the stuff, okay, that I definitely don't want, put that in one pile, and then get that onto eBay and just get rid of it. That's strategy one. Strategy two, I'm still working on. Like, where do you start? I've had a think, I've got a plan. I'm just going to catalogue everything, work out how much we got and what it is, put my own sort of reference numbers on it, get it in the shed. Priority one is to get it protected, and that means getting it inside. First up, we have 80 square feet of what I think is cow leather. Relatively thin, like a heavy shoe leather, light boot leather. Well, I've just so far 2 wheelbarrow loads of leather, the big rolls, but I've just had one. The wrappers come off and ripped apart, so I thought we'd have a look at it and see what's in it. Now, they've had these numbers on them. See, they've got 80 written on it. And a lot of them have that. Some of them have some other stuff written on them, like roll numbers and whatever. So I had thought that was 80 square feet, but I'm not so sure that's true anymore. Right, so we have this roll which has come apart. Sort of grey leather. Alright, so this is the back. Yep, that's the back. Got a few marks and faults. I'll shadow out the way. Interesting choice of colour. I'm not sure if this is meant to be re-dyed or something. But we've got 10 pieces. Right, now are there any, what have we got here? If anyone can tell me what that mark means, looks like a 6 maybe it's a 9.9. So is that 10 square feet? Okay. So maybe that's 15 square feet. Would that be 15 square feet? Okay, that's 5 feet. What have we got across here? The narrow bit. Oh, the narrow bit's more than 2. So that'd be 10 square feet, so maybe with the edges and bits and pieces, that's 15 square feet. 9.9. Let's say 10, 13. $118 square feet. 118 square feet. Alrighty. Well, it's taking most of the afternoon. First of all, to get my head around what I'm supposed to be doing, but then to actually, do it. I've taken 4 wheelbarrow loads to the container. I've got a 5th wheelbarrow load which I'm going to take inside and start photographing, hopefully get it up for sale. Probably got another 2 wheelbarrow loads that I'm not sure what I'm doing with. It's a mix of stuff that I definitely want to keep, like for example this green, although this green is even better. And this black, this is like glove leather, so soft. There's a whole roll of it. Yeah, so I've got plans for that.
Oh, I want some leather on
Lovely,
me.
that's a lovely
This
chestnut.
is mine. Yeah, it's a lovely chestnut. Oh, this is so nice. It's mine. I'm not a leather person. I'm leather.
Well, it's the day after the leather arrived, and I thought I might answer the question as to why I got a whole pallet load of leather. And there's a number of reasons. One is it was an opportunity. A Facebook friend put me onto it, and I just, right place, right time, and I got a really good deal. I'm hoping that I'll be able to sell a fair bit of it on and make a little bit of money. But the reason I really wanted the leather is because of a whole bunch of projects that need leather. You might have seen I've got a lot of axes. Most of them don't have covers, so that's a big job. That's a lot of leather. But also there's a number of things I needed the leather for particular projects to do with the 16th century prospecting video series. Come have a look at this. When you're working through these layers, often what is down the bottom is the very best stuff. And look, I've gone over this with a brush and scraping, and you can see, look, I really haven't done a very good job because I'm running out of time. But even if I had, even if I really brush, there's still a little bit in there. And I can get in there with a scrape and get the, oh, that's bad. That's a gold, oh, I have to come back and finish that off. Don't look at that, that's a gold pocket. Yeah, so what I want to do, an air suction bellows, like you've seen people use their yabby pumps when they're in water. Well, this will do the same job, except it will do it in the dry, basically work on air. And the light pliable suedes that I got in that packet of, in the pallet of leather will be perfect for that job. They'll also do the same job for making the bellows for when it comes time to do the smelts to make the tools for some of the 16th century prospecting stuff. So it's all part of a plan, all part of a cunning plan. But anyway, that's it for this video. And if you want to see what gold I got and the digging of this inside bend and see how we go, well, you'll have to come along to the next video. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification so you know when it comes out. Have fun. Catch you later.